Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by creating the project and importing source photos. First, set canvas size to match output and enable grid so elements align precisely. Then import images via drag and drop or import. Place the base photo on layer 1. Once done, lock the background layer to avoid accidental moves and add new layers for foreground elements. Make sure to name key layers right away so you can find them. This saves time when you start masking and blending. You now focus on blending images convincingly. Add a layer mask to each overlay photo and paint with a soft brush to reveal only wanted parts. This keeps edits reversible. Once masked, try multiply, screen, or overlay blend modes and tweak opacity to merge tones. Use feather and density controls to soften transitions and sample colors with the eyedropper for local painting. As you work, group related layers and apply adjustment layers to the group for consistent color and exposure. You finish by auditing the composite for seams, color casts, and scale. Make global adjustments, curves, hue, and sharpening applied as non-destructive layers. When ready, export using the target format and resolution. Choose sRGB for web or a print profile for physical outputs. If something looks off, undo recent merges, toggle layer visibility to isolate the problem, and inspect masks and blend modes. One tip: if export shows banding, switch to 6.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.